Let's get started. So NiNi is the name of our name. Nothing greater than no Jesus gonna save anybody. So NiNi is the name of our name. Know you're who or yes you are, gonna save anybody. Read about him, taught about him, but the most don't know about him. You made them all, heard them all, still the most don't know about him. He's the Father who rules and to reign. Got your life in the palm of His hand. Got you when you were asleep, found you not in the grave. Name is So NiNi the Creator of all things. So NiNi is the name of our name. Not the great name, ain't no Jesus gonna save anybody. So NiNi is the name of our name. Know you're who or yes you are, ain't gonna save anybody. Use the name, live the name, can be saved from burning. Say His name, don't hesitate. Save yourself from burning. He's the Father who speaks by the rules. He's above and will be evermore. So NiNi, He said that's His name, and what He said we must call Him what He said, Creator of all things. So NiNi is the name of our name. Not the great name, ain't no Jesus gonna save anybody. So NiNi is the name of our name. Know you're who or yes you are, ain't gonna save anybody.
His name is above all that, the only name all men can be saved. His name is not Greek's name. His name is not Yahushua or Yahusha. His name is born to His name. So NiNi Creator of all things. The whole world must call on His name to get saved. His name is the only one through which you can be saved. So lose all the Greek names and Hebrew and Yeshua names and call on So NiNi, the one name above all names.